Hydrating Cream by Zeo. The reason I'm doing this video is because this is the only cream that in 15 years has actually worked for my husband's little dry patch on his face. He gets this little red flaky dry patch right here on his face, and he sometimes will get them in his beard. So if you are somebody that deals with this, or you know somebody that deals with this is hands down the best treatment I have found in 15 years of skincare. Now, it's different when you're treating eczema on your body. Your body tolerates different products than your face. Your face tends to be far more sensitive and easily irritated by products that contain a lot of fillers. This is a really effective product. It does contain colloidal oatmeal, which is very calming, and it has been accepted by the National Eczema Association in order to treat eczema. So if you are looking for something to treat that red, patchy, dry area, try this stuff out. I popped the link down below just to make it easy for you, but I'm not connected to Zeo directly. They do not pay me for doing this. This is just so you know about it because it's the only thing that's ever worked. So I was really excited to pop on here, tell you all about it, and if that information is helpful for you, give this video a thumbs up, share it with somebody who could use this information. I'm gonna unbox it real quickly. I did unbox it earlier like I always do, so you can see what it looks like, how big the bottle is. It's in this cardboard box, so you can recycle it. It comes with information. All the ingredients are listed on the back, but there's 3 primary active ingredients. Zeo actually has one of their own patent ingredients in it. It's called ZOX12. So in the 12 hours that it's on your skin, it has a slow time release of antioxidants. So you're also getting anti-aging benefits because the price point is of course higher. And it's like, why am I spending this much money other than the fact that it actually works? It's actually also anti-aging. So that's a nice little perk. Here's the bottle. It is 4 ounces. So it lasts a really long time when you're just using a little bit. I would recommend using this product in the evening while your skin is turning over and healing, unless you're dealing with more severe redness and dryness. When you pop it open initially, when you get it, it has a tamper-proof seal on it. If that tamper-proof seal is gone, send it back, or just buy from a reputable business so that you don't have to deal with that. All right, so you would twist this off, tear off the tamper-proof seal, which I did, see, little silver seal, and then you put this back on, pop it open, and the size of a pea is enough for your entire face. So if you're only using it over a red patch and you wanna make this more budget friendly and you're just using a tiny, tiny bit, he only uses it on, let's see, I think he just uses it through here. So his nose and his cheeks, unless he hasn't shaved for a while, in which case if you use it in that beard area for the irritated skin, it works magic there as well. So that might be enough, okay? And I'm gonna let you see how this rubs in. Now in the summer months, it is a little bit thicker. It feels a little bit thicker. It might be a little too much, but in the winter, you're gonna love this stuff. It's also meant for post-procedure skin, so if you've had it rubbed right in. So it's not greasy, it's not oily, it doesn't smell like hardly anything, which is really nice. There are some Zeo products that have a more fragrant smell. This does not. So if you're a guy, you'll like it. If you're a girl, you'll love it. And if you haven't tried it, or if you have tried it, comment below, tell me what you think about it, and I will have the link right below this description. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you soon.